Well, let's try our hand at manipulating thermochemical equations here. We're given an equation with an associated delta H, and we want to find the delta H of a different equation that appears to have been manipulated from our original. So it looks like we may have to do a couple of different things here. You can do them in one step, you can do them in two steps, just depends on how comfortable you are with it. I'm going to do it in two steps, and it doesn't matter which order the steps are in. But first, let's kind of get an idea of what we've got here. One of the things we notice is our N2O5 in our original given equation here is in the reactants, in the products, and here we have them in the reactants. And so those change place, as does my NO2. I go from NO2 as a reactant to NO2 as a product. So that tells me that my equation has reversed. So let's go ahead and do that manipulation first. So if we reverse our given equation, we're going to have 2N2O5 going to 4NO2 plus O2. And that'll have a delta H then equaling a positive 110.2 kilojoules. Since I reversed my reaction, I just need to change the sign of my heat. And now the other thing that we want to take a look at is we see that our coefficient for our N2O5 here is a 2, and here it's a 1. Or we could say what we're looking for is a 1, and what we have in our reversal is a 2. So I need to multiply that by 1/2. So I'm going to take this and multiply by 1/2, and that will give us, change colors, N2O5 going to 2NO2 plus 1/2 O2, which we see is exactly what we have in the find. And since I multiplied the reaction by half, I need to multiply my heat by half as well, and that will give me a delta H that's equal to a positive 55.1 kilojoules.